What's up guys, this is Saul, and just wanted to give you a quick update on another mod that we're doing today. It's a quick simple video, but figured it was worth giving you an update. This isn't a complicated mod, but this is I couldn't find any tutorials on YouTube about how to remove these fog lamp covers, so kind of figured out by myself, but I figure it would be helpful for other people that want to do the same mod. Essentially what I did is I took a flathead screwdriver through here and pried it open as much as I could, or enough to put my finger in there and get enough leverage. Once I was able to get enough of that in there, I was able to just pull, and then there's tabs right here, right here, right here, and right here that will come apart. And essentially once you have it off, then you're able to apply the Lamin-x film onto the fog lamp. It should be an easy 5-minute modification that you can do yourself.